Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. I am so excited to be filming. It's been a couple of days, you guys. I think it's been a little bit over a week since I filmed my last video. It has been super duper crazy on my end. I have been running around like crazy. My son has joined an AAU team. If you guys don't know, that is a basketball travel team. And I've just been a basketball mom, and also my younger one is in karate, and he's also recently joined a basketball team as well. So I am just like literally a mom running around going crazy. I haven't had a chance to do anything for myself, so here I am today, super duper excited to share with you guys my Sephora order. I am so excited. It has been literally sitting on my side of the bed like, hello, I'm here, I'm ready to share with your people, like, hello, take me out of the box, film a video. So I am super excited to be here right now in front of you guys with makeup on. I haven't had any makeup on. I think I've only done my brows, my lashes, and my lips, but you know, like I'm wearing a mask at all times, so you can't even see it, but I have like chapstick on and stuff. But you guys, it has been super duper crazy, like I said. But we are here. We are on my time, me time, a little girl time, you know. So let's jump in. I have a couple of things to share with you guys. Not too much, but I still want to share it with you guys, of course. And I also have 2 hair products besides the makeup. So I'm super duper excited to share that with you guys as well, because I've actually tried them, because I just wanted to try it. I was just like, you know what, I want to test it out already. I want to get my hands on it. And I love the product, so I'm going to share that right now. Alright, so in no particular order, I pulled this out of the box. This is the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. I have been hearing so many amazing things about this for the longest time that I finally decided to splurge and purchase this, you guys. I got mine in the shade 3W. It's 3 Warm. I did the shade match. That's how I was able to figure out my shade. So that is the one that they recommended. And I'm really hoping that it really, you know, matches me. But it is a higher end foundation, you guys. I know. But you know what? A girl was like, you know what? Let's do it. We have a little discount here, a little discount there. And that's what I decided to do. So I decided to splurge and get a little bougie. So this is what the bottle looks like. So excited. It's so pretty. It's kind of small, but I mean, I'm so excited to try it. It's so cute. And it's Dior. Like, I mean, guys, Dior. Like, there's nothing else to say about that, you know? I'm just hoping that it looks good on me and the shade is perfect. So let's move on to the next product. Let's see what we have here. All right. Oh, okay. So here we go. Another Dior product. So we have the Forever Skin Correct in 2N, 2 Neutral, just in case you guys wanted to know. That's what the N stands for. Oh my God. I don't know. I think this is going to be a little bit bright under the eye, but we shall see. I mean, it's really pretty. So excited, you guys. I really am. I don't even know, did I show you a close-up of the foundation? Like, look at this. So pretty. And there is the concealer. So excited. I mean, I feel like I can get away with both of them. If this is a little warmer, then this was kind of like a neutralized under the eye. I think we'll do really well with that. So I'm really excited, you guys. Girl got some Dior. All right. Let me know what you guys got. I'm so curious to know. Have you guys tried any of like Dior products? Let me know down below. But like I said, I've heard so many great things about it that I'm excited to try them out for myself. All right, so moving on to the next product. This is the Patrick Ta for face. So this is the Major Sculpt Cream Contour and Powder Bronzer Duo. Love the packaging, you guys. It is so beautiful. Patrick Ta is a very famous makeup artist, which I absolutely love his techniques. I love his makeup application. It is so beautiful. And I was like, you know what? I need to pick this up. So I know there was one that I originally wanted but they were out of stock. I'm gonna check if they have it. I can't remember at the second which one it was, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get this one because they had it, and I really wanted to try something from Patrick Ta since I've heard also a lot of amazing things. And this one is in the shade She's Sculpted, but you guys, look at this packaging. Can we just like die? Like, look at this, it's beautiful. I mean, it's definitely going to get super dirty because, you know, you can leave your fingerprint marks on here, but nonetheless, I mean, it's so beautiful. Let me see if I can open it. How do you open this? Okay. Ooh, my gosh, look at her. Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Oh my god. So we have the cream. Oh my god, it has this. I forgot it has this. It has a little cover on here. I thought it was actually a little bit cooler, but now that I open it up, it does look warmer. So I'm not that nervous. I thought, you know, like this was gonna be kind of like really cool on me, and cool cream products I'm not really a big fan of, but I was like, let me try it out and see how it works. But looking at it now, it's not cool, it's more warm, so I'm really happy about that. And then we have the bronzer right underneath, and we have the Patrick Ta symbol on, you know, on the powder, printed on the powder, which is really, really pretty. It's a nice little touch, and I really like this. It's, oh, ooh, love that. Let's try that again. Love that. I'm so excited, you guys. All right, so for the next product, it's this here. This is a blush. This is the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush in the shade Joy. It's very simple packaging. I honestly never knew what the packaging looked like, but I've heard so many great things about her blush. It was honestly between this one and a different one, which I can't remember. I'm so bad. It's been literally a while since I've looked at anything makeup related because I've been super duper busy. I'm so sorry. But it was either between this one and another one, and the other one was sold out. And I was like, damn, because I really wanted to try that brand. I've never tried anything from that brand that I'm talking about. I will have it here for you guys so you guys can know what brand I'm talking about, but unfortunately it was all sold out. And yeah, so this is the one that I decided to get. This is the Rare Beauty one, and it is so cute. Look at that. The shade is beautiful. I love the shade for spring and summer, and honestly I love this even during the winter time. I just, you know, just a little bit, just to give yourself a little color, you know what I mean? But this is really, really pretty. Even the packaging, like, look at that. You could just like, boom, right there. You don't have to go like, I mean you can, but it's just like really nice, like very like, ooh, bougie, you know? But really pretty, you guys. Look at that. Don't mind me, I always like to smell products to see if they have a scent. No scent, and neither did the Dior, so I'm kind of excited about this. I've heard, like I said, so many great things. And yeah, oh, I love that it says you are rare. Yes, I am rare, to be honest. I am. All right, so for this next product, this product right here, I've been told to pick up multiple times because it just makes your skin look amazing, and it's super affordable, and it's a Sephora brand. So I don't know why, I just don't seem to gravitate towards the Sephora brand, but that's gonna change because I did try the Sephora foundation. If you guys saw my last couple of videos ago, you guys know that I absolutely loved their foundation that they just came out with, the last one, and it's amazing. So this right here is the Sephora Micro Smooth Baked Powder, right? I want to say it's the baked powder. Yeah, this is the baked powder. Sorry, I'm like have a lot of stuff around me, but this one is in the shade medium sable sand, and I am so excited to try it out. Like I said, I've heard so many great things, and I finally decided to pick it up because I want my skin to look good, and I mean an affordable powder that's just going to make your skin look beautiful and amazing and very like photoshopped. I mean, why not? You know what I mean? So that is that. Now this right here, I was like, I need to pick one of these up because again, this has been recommended by many people, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. I didn't pick up the one everybody uses, which is Pillow Talk, I believe it is. I decided to pick this one up. This one's in the shade Hot Gossip, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I've tried it, so I'm going to swatch this one for you guys. This one is perfect for every day. It gives my lips just a little bit more color. It looks more natural, just a little bit more like pigmented, but they look like my lips, you know what I mean? I could tone it down. I could definitely build it up. It's very, very pretty. I love the lip liner. I love how it applies. It looks so good. And I honestly can tell you that it does last, and it just really sticks to your, you know, your lips, and it just stays in place. That's my point. Like, it looks so good, stays in place. It's a beautiful color. All right, so this one right here is the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I picked mine in the shade Translucent Honey, and I think I've heard a couple people talk about this, and I was like, you know what, let me try, because I really did like the other Laura Mercier translucent powder. I haven't used it in a while. I have it actually over there. I haven't used it in a while, but I remember being totally obsessed with it, and I know they came up with a lot of other shades, so I decided to pick up the shade Honey, which I thought was going to work out perfectly for me. And yeah, so I'm hoping that it works out for me, but it's literally, it looks like they're same, you know, other loose setting powders, nothing special. Just what's inside is hopefully going to work really well for me. Ooh, this one right here, you guys. Oh my gosh, so excited. I picked up the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Protecting Micro Powder. This one's in the shade 2 Medium. I hope that this one also works out for me. I don't know, but you know what? I actually want to try this out right now, because I've been hoping, you know, this one out of all the products, I was hoping that was going to work for me, because I hear that the shades aren't that great, and some people can work with them. Some people need like an in-between between the medium and the darker one. But I don't know. Let's try it out. There is some pickup. So I'm gonna try it with a Real Techniques brush and see. I mean, give me a little brightness. I think so. It did give me a little more of a brighter under eye. Look at that. Okay, okay. Alright. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. Okay. Alright, so I thought it wasn't going to work, but it looks pretty good. The only thing is, I feel like I'm going to definitely run out of this super quick. There is some pickup. I don't know if you guys ever seen this, but I just don't want the light to hit your eyes. But this, like, you see the pickup? I don't know. But it's in a nice little compact here. Very, very pretty. I love Charlotte Tilbury's packaging. I think it's beautiful. I think it's very luxurious, and you get what you pay for. So I'm not mad at it. And yeah, that is pretty much it for that. All right, so the other products that I have here are from my points. Like, you know, you get to choose like two, depending on what you have, or you don't even have to use your points, but I decided to use them. So I did end up choosing the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0. I really, really love this Urban Decay eye pencil. It's so, so good. Any color you get, you're gonna love. I love how creamy it is. I love how it looks on the eye. It's super duper black. This one's in the shade 0, like I said. So good, so creamy, and I love it. I did also choose the Way, yeah, that's how I pronounce it, the Way medium hair shampoo and conditioner, which I'm really excited to try, because that brings me to the last two products, and those are hair products, you guys. So I did order the Way hair oil, and you guys, oh my god, where has this been for me? Like, I knew it was out there. I remember her coming out and, you know, talking about her line, her hair products and things like that, but you guys, it took me so long to like pick this up, and it's honestly well worth it. You only need the littlest bit. You don't want to apply like the first pump once you you know, rub it again on your hands like that and then put that on the top. No, don't do that, because then it's going to be very, very oily. You want to run that on the bottom, like the bottom part of your hair, very, very nicely. Let me grab some. So I'm just going to grab a little bit, even half a pump. Okay, so it smells good too, by the way. Some people were saying that they don't like the smell, but honestly, you guys, I think the smell is not strong at all. I think it smells good. It doesn't smell earthy or anything. It smells like hair products, like, you know, it smells really good. And you just want to make sure that you get the ends, you know what I mean? Just get those ends, make sure that they look hydrated and they don't look dead and brittle, you know? But it's so good. And then whatever's left, then you're going to want to run that on the top so you can get rid of those little frizzies, you know, but you don't want to go in directly with the first pump, because then you're just going to be oily. Okay, don't do that to yourselves. You don't want that. But besides that, I mean, it is the best hair oil. It's super lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy. I even just like put the rest around my hands and then just grab some lotion and like hand lotion and then just put the rest on my hands, and that's it. But it's so good for your hair, you guys. I am totally obsessed with it. Now for this right here, I was like, oh my god, these are my now go-to products. Like, I'm going to reorder these products going forward. Once I run out, I'm going to reorder it. But this one right here completely blew me away. I feel like it's just like one of the best hair products that I've ever used. I usually use the Tresemme heat protector if I go in and straighten my hair, because you guys, my hair back in the day used to be super duper straight. Now it's not as straight as it once was, unfortunately. So I do have to go in and sometimes go in and straighten the hair so, you know, it doesn't look like bedhead, you know what I mean? And sometimes I'm just like, you know what, I just want it straight, you know, it just looks better that way. So yeah, anyways, this right here is the Bumble and Bubble BB Hair Dressers Invisible Oil Heat / UV Protective Primer. It is the Sublime Pre-Styler for a total transformation for dry to very dry hair. This, you guys, it is one of the best products that I have tried for my hair. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, at first when I was spraying it, because I do spray it on dry hair, you can definitely use it for wet hair. Let me read it. It says, a mist of many wonders. Softens, detangles, defrizzes, tames flyaways, eases styling, and protects against breakage, heat styling, and UV damage. Spray on damp or dry hair, comb through, and style. You guys, this is like one of the easiest products and best products to use on your hair. This is just literally makes a difference when I go in and, you know, don't have that much time and I just spray it and just straighten my hair and I'm done. I add a little bit of oil and I'm good to go. Like this right here, it tames my flyaways. You feel like a sticky feeling, but it's something that's going to, you feel like it's going to hold your hair intact. You know what I mean? Because it says it's a primer for your hair and you do feel it. But once you run that iron through, it doesn't feel sticky anymore. You just feel like, okay, it's taming it, if that makes sense. But it's really, really good. It definitely helps detangle, that's for sure. Like once I spray it, I brush my hair and it's just a lot easier. And that is pretty much it. Let me know, you guys, what you guys got from the Sephora sale. This is all that I got. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.